Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to navigate the SoFi Help Center for answers. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the SoFi application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to SoFi if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom side of the screen, we have the Discover, we have the Watch List, the Account, we have the Invest, Orders, and in the bottom right corner, the Social. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and navigate the SoFi Help Center for answers. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So as you can see, in the top left side of the screen, we have when you click there, we have a lot of options. We have your account, email, preferences, safety and security, support, where you can go and contact them. So you can go and click on contact us. And then you will have, of course, the help center, where then you can go and ask for help. Of course, you can then go and click on their email, of course, or go to their chat bot, which is available for 24/7. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.